Okay, an update on the Yost pattern maker's vise. Anyway, this part of the slide, the original slide, it was all busted away. So my son, he machined some ways in the side of in this end of the slide, and we took a billet and machined it to fit the ways. We machined a new land here, just cleaned up what was there. This acts as a hinge. This is a hinge. This is bolted here, bolted through here. It's bolted on the other side into the billet. The billet is bolted to the end of the slide in two places. So basically, the slide supports this jaw face, but this jaw face, it angles 5 degrees. It pivots off of the slide. So it's kind of uncommon vise. Was busted to heck. And I thrive on fixing stuff up like this if it's worth it. This probably isn't worth it. It's uncommon, but anyway. So anyway, when we set it up and we machined everything and fitted everything, this is the wood carver's jaw faces, jaws here, jaw towers. According to the catalog, they had a little that this is for use by wood carvers. So when we set it all up, we wanted all these surfaces to match. I don't really care about these other surfaces, because normally this is hard maple or oak boards in between here. Of course, it's clamped together now for demonstration. And I've been working on the angle or the beveling of the jaw face. But anyway, we made this up. We fixed it up at my son's shop yesterday. And when I get done, I'm going to make another video of it all done, put together. This is the cover. The underside of this cover has a stop for this yoke that only allows it to bevel about 5 degrees. Of course, this is the little hand wheel to bring it out of parallel of the stationary jaw. I made a bunch of little snippet videos of some of the machining processes yesterday, and they're going to be included in this video at the end. And so the compressor's coming along good. It's in progress. And don't forget, if you want to watch a bunch of short machining, they're short. They're just not too much to them. But anyway, thanks for watching my video. Okay, roughing it down, milling it down to the new face we're going to mill out. Cutting the groove for the new billet. Facing the bottom of the slide. This little pattern vise job is piddly for this shop. cutting away the groove in the top of the slide for the billet.